Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. This is 16 Pro Max iPhone. Hello, hi, namaskara, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Welcome to a new vlog. Actually, this vlog is related to his birthday. Previous year also he asked me to buy that thing for him on his birthday, but I just avoided, and then I took to December. Then again he said that buy it for me on my birthday again. On 25th I said. Then December also went off. Then I said on my birthday I will do. That also went off. Everything here and there. Now this year I'm going to buy for him because this is the time when I have to give him, because every time I can't say that next year, next time. So this is the time, what it is and what he have to buy and what he has said to me to buy it for him. This I'll show you. You can see that he is following, even though much more earlier than me, because he is running for that and I am chasing him like that. So I'll show you where we are going and what he wanted to buy. So we reached here. He is inside. He's inside. We are looking for the mobile. We saw that also. We'll check it and later on we'll give it. Only the mobile, we got it with that AirPod and this USB port, and now another thing also, bag also they'll give to keep it, all these things. Back cover plus screen guard also they only made it, and everything they only set up and given us like that. He got, now he is not going to show me phone also. How much he is happy, see. No expression, that much only happy. See. See. Now I'm making in 16 Pro Max iPhone this video, and the other phone I made video. Which camera quality is very nice? Just tell me guys in the comment box. This camera quality is nice, or the previous one which I have shown you, the starting video, that was nice. Both you just combine and just give a comment over there. That was nice, so this was nice.
ಸೊ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ಫೈನಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಮಳೆಯಿಂದ ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೊ ಹೆಂಗೋ ತುಮಕೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಸೇರಿದಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಕ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೀತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮನೆಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಬೆಳಗಿಂದ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನಾದ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್, ಶೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್, ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಬೇಗ ಪಟ ಅಂತ ಹೊಡೀರಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ವರೆಗೂ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ದೆನ್, ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear Noel. Happy birthday to you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you, dear Noel. Happy birthday to you.
Come here. You are not coming, maybe.
ಗುರು ಏನ್ ಅಡ್ಡ
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ
ತಿನ್ಸೋದ್ರಿ ಹಂಗೆ ತಿನ್ಸೋದ್ರಿ ಹಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಹಂಗೆ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾವನು ಅಜಯ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಮಾಂಗಲ್ಯ ಸರಿಯಲ್ಲ